सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 11, verse number 39. वायुर्यमोऽग्निर्वरुणः शशाङ्कः प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्रकृत्वः पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते. Arjuna, appreciating the glory of Vishwarupa, once you recognize the Lord in Ekarupa wholeheartedly in one form, then you can slowly appreciate the same Lord as universal form. If we have real devotion towards one God, then slowly we try to appreciate that same Lord in the whole universe. That is called Vishwarupa Bhakti. That is called Vishwarupa Bhakti. Therefore, Arjuna has matured now. He is able to recognize that Lord, His whole glory in the form of Vishwarupa. This sloka itself says how Arjuna is enjoying the Lord in everything. Vayuhu, Yamaha, Agnihi, Varunaha, Shashankaha. So Arjuna accepting the Lord Krishna as the cause of this universe. You are pervading in everything 5 elements. Hey Krishna, Tvam Vayuhu. You are the air principle. Yamaha, you are the Yamadharma Raja also. In the form of dissolution. In the form of dissolution, you are only manifesting. So Yama is not different from that Lord Paramatma. So Srishtikarta is Bhagavan only. Even Layakarta also Bhagavan only. Therefore you surrender to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is the Pralaya Samharakaha. Pralaya Karakaha Samharakaha means in whom everything dissolves. If you have a bhakti on Shiva, this Yama Bhayam irukadu. Yenna Lord Shiva is Yamanukku Yamanu. Kala Kalaha. That's why a real devotee is never afraid of death. A real devotee of the Lord will never get fear that Marana Bhayame irukadu. How to come out of that Marana Bhayamana? Catch him, that Lord's feet, who is the one Kala Kalaha anartham. Kalagni Rudraya. Kala is Yaman. Yaman is equal to Kala. Kala is Yaman. Your Kala Kalahana. I told no. Malai Mulunga Mahadevanakku Kada Oru Appalam. So the Lord is able to swallow the whole mountain Can you go and ask Bhagavan, can you swallow this door? I am able to swallow mountain itself. This door is like an appalam. Adi madri, kala kala Bhagavan, the whole universe going to dissolve. How to understand this? Dissolution is nothing but it goes to unmanifestation. There is no real Janma, there is no real Maranam. If you know this fact, there is no question of fear. Janma means nothing but just come into manifestation. Whatever is there in unmanifest form, avyaktamā irukkiradhu, manifest irukku. We are all in manifestation form now. Then once you leave this body goes into what? Molecules, neutrons, protons, it goes into the earth. Matter cannot be created. According to scientists also, nothing can be created newly. Then what is creation? Creation is nothing but which is in unmanifest form will manifest. Energy manifests into matter. This matter goes into what? Energy. Only cycle going on. This is called creation and dissolution. This is called birth and death. Death means adarshanam. Birth means darshanam. That's why nashaha. Nashaha, destruction. Once we are destroyed, we will become adarshanam. Nashaha means what? Destruction. Destruction means what? Not appearing in artham. That's why in grammar also, Sanskrit grammar, Nashaha means adarshanam. Invisible. It will become invisible. Not total destruction. Nashaha means invisible. Adarshanam. What is utpatti? Creation. Darshanam. Now we are in darshanam condition. Later will become adarshanam condition. Adarshanam is not total nasha. Total nasha will never take place. Therefore what? Don't cry. We are there. In manifestation time, in unmanifestation time also we are there. So you are free from what? Fear of death. I am manifesting now. I go to unmanifest form. That's all. Now Vayu, Agni, Yama, Varuna, all are nothing but you alone, O Lord, he says. Varunaha. This is the logic behind. You are the Karanam for all of them. You are Karanam. Shashankaha, the moon. Chandrayan, mudichacha, innu varliyo. Chandrayan, Shashankaha, Prajapatihin, four-headed Brahma. Brahma. You are only that four-headed Brahma also. Pitamaha, Prapitamaha. You are the great-grandfather. Brahma வந்து பிதா. நம்மளுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் அப்பா. அவருக்கு அப்பா யாரு? Paramatma, Krishna. Lord Krishna, you are the Paramatma. Therefore, Lord Krishna become what? Vishnu, Lord Krishna become what for us? And a great-grandfather. Our father, our father is Chaturmukha Brahma. Our father? Ada Prapitamaha, great-grandfather. Vishnuhu Pitamahasya Saha Prapita anartham. Sahasra Krutvaha Namaha Namaha Te Astu. My salutations to you in 1,000-fold. Sahasra Krutvaha. In 1,000 manifold ways I am doing namaskara to you. Because this is a sign of knowing the greatness of the Lord. Once you know the greatness of any person, a teacher, you always do namaskara. Why? Not just like that, but when you know the value of the teaching, the greatness of the Guru, you do namaskara. குருவுக்கு இத்தனை நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணும்போது பகவானுக்கு குருவுக்கு குரு எத்தனை நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும்? Therefore do namaskara to the Lord. You have to physically, you have to show your appreciation. Namaskara means what? You are physically showing your appreciation, your acceptance of the greatness of the Lord. That is called namaskara. Namaha namaha astu. Again, bhuyaha namaha astu. Punaha punaha. Again and again I am saluting you, O Lord. Next shloka we will read. So all are not different. The power of the Lord, the power in the air, the power in the water, the power in the moon, the power in the sun, the power in everything belongs to Bhagavan. What about our power? Our power also, whatever power we are having, little, okay, very little power we have. Our power belongs to whom? God only. Therefore, never claim if you have any power. Nice, you have talents. இருக்குன்னு நினச்சிக்கலாமே கொஞ்சம் டேலண்ட்ஸ் ஏதாவது இருந்தா அதெல்லாம் நம்ம டேலண்ட்ஸ் இல்லை. அது பகவானுடைய விபூதி இந்த உடம்பு மூலமா மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் ஆயின்னு இருக்கு, அவ்வளவுதான். இது புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். தட்ஸ் வை எனிவன் அப்ரிஷியேட் யூ. நல்லா பாடுறீங்களே, நல்லா டான்ஸ் பண்றே, சேர் மேல் உட்காருங்க, பரவாயில்ல, சேர் மேல் உட்காருங்க. நல்லா பாடுறேன்னு அண்ணா ஏதாவது ப்ரைஸ் பண்ண யூ ஆர் நைஸ்ன்னு சொன்ன பை காட்ஸ் கிரேஸ், இல்லை காட்ஸ் கிரேஸ். இட்ஸ் நாட் மைண்ட். திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் வினயம், மோடெஸ்டி. அப்போ நமக்கு அகங்காரம் வராது. ஸோ பகவான் பிளஸ் மோர் வித் மோர் டேலண்ட்ஸ். தட் இஸ் த கிரேட்னஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா we will read. நமः புரஸ்தாதத புருஷ்டதஸ்தே நமோஸ்து தே சர்வத ஏவ சர்வம் அனந்த வீர்யாமித விக்ரமஸ்த்வம் சர்வம் சமாப்னோஷி ததோசி சர்வம். Very nice shlokas. Arjuna appreciating the Lord by accepting the Bhagavan everywhere. Namaha purastat. You are all pervasive. Therefore, I do namaskar to you front side, back side, right side, left side. Because all the sides you are only pervading. Therefore, my namaskars to you who is all pervading. Namaha purastat. Salutations to you in front. Generally, when we do namaskara to a person, front side only we do namaskara. We don't do right side of the person or left side or back side. Why? அவன் ஃப்ரண்ட் சைடு தான் இருக்கு, பேக் சைடு அவன் கிடையாது, மூஞ்செல்லாம் முன்னாடி தான் இருக்கு. பட் பகவானுக்கு ஆல் சைட்ஸ், எவ்ரி சைடு பகவான் இஸ் தேர். Therefore, purastat. Atha. And prishtaha, prishtataha te namaha astu. Te means to you. Namaha means salutations. From behind also I am doing salutations to you. That's why in temple we do pradakshanam. But pradakshanam represents what? Bhagavan is everywhere. I do namaskara and go on doing pradakshanam. Means all the sides I am doing namaskara. Prishtataha means behind, back side. Salutations to you. And sarvataha eva namaha te astu. Salutations be to you all around. You are tired. Arjuna is tired. Okay. Prishtataha, he says front and back, and he says sarvataha. All rounder you are. Therefore, purastat prishtataha sarvaha. Here sarvaha means this is one of the name of the Lord in Vishnu Sahasranama. Sarvas Sharvas Shivasthanuhu. Sarvaha is the name of the Lord. Therefore, they call it Sarveshwar Rao, Sarveshwaran, Sarvaha, who is in the form of everything. Tvam Ananta Viryam Ati Vikramaha. Ananta Viryam Ati Vikramaha. Or one sentence, Ananta Viryam Ita Vikramaha. Limitless power. Ananta Viryam Yasya. Anta means limited. Na Anta Ananta. Limitless. Viryam means power, valor. Limitless power. You are in the form of limitless power. Vikramaha. And infinite courage. Vikrama means courage. Vikram. Courage. Bold. Limitless courage. Amita Vikramaha. So, Ananta Virya, Amita Vikramaha. Amita manna, mita manna limited. Finite. Amita manna limitless. Measureless. Immeasurable and artha. Immeasurable, infinite courage you have got. Namma courage is finite. We are not having total courage. But Bhagavan is having total courage, infinite courage. Samapnoshi sarvam. You pervade everything. Ap dhatu. Samyak apnoshi. Tvam. You pervade everything. Just as the water pervades the wave, just as the fiber pervades the cloth, just as the clay pervades the pot. Similarly, since you are the cause, you are pervading in everything. Therefore, in our understanding, what you have to cognize, I want to get Deva Darshanam, God Darshanam. If you ask, Shastra says, when you are not getting Deva Darshanam, you are getting Deva Darshanam all the time. Why? Because He is all pervading. We never say Daiva Darshana means somewhere. We never see God is separate from the world. God is separate from the world. You have to reach that God. You have to meet that God. You have to travel. Because He is in Kailasa. He is in Vaikuntha anartham. He is not here anartham. Appo Vaikunthallo matram irukar. Bhulokallo illanu aidum. Appo limited God He is. So therefore we never see God as a separate entity far away to travel. If it is far away only, you have to travel. Suppose a person minor age, minor da. Major ஆகிறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? What he has to do? Become major. He cannot do anything. He need not do anything. He has to wait. That's all. He has to wait. Automatically minor will become major. And the Madri, I will also wait to meet the Lord. Slowly, now 10 years. Slowly wait, I will become 20 years. I will become 70-year-old, then 80-year-old. Then I merge slowly with the God. I travel. There is no travel like that. How to understand this? Last class I said, wave to meet the water, its original nature, wave want to lehar doonde pani ko. Lehar enna wave, doonde enna searching. Lehar, the tarangam, wave want to meet the water, to want to give shake hand. I want to shake hand that water principle. Who is thinking? Wave. Lehar doonde pani ko. Soot doonde kapada ko. Kapada doonde soot ko. Kapada anna cloth. Cloth is searching. It has got a desire. Let me meet. I want to shake hand with a fiber, thread. Kapada doonde soot ko. Jiva doonde brahma ko. This Jivatma trying, struggling to doonde, searching for Brahman. Lehar doonde pani ko na surichtam. Wave itself is water. Wave need not think to meet the water at a distance. How wave can meet the water? Tell me. Wave has to recognize, yes, wave has to recognize, I am not separate from water. Wave has to recognize, I am not separate from the water to meet the water. Separate, doorma irundadani meet pannanum. Upon the wave became intelligent wave. Okay? That wave recognized, I am wave, water only. Where to meet us? Wave, nan irikkaradake, who is cause? Water. So how can I go out of water? Na water lada irike, water ada irike. Similarly, kapada doonde soot ko. The cloth is searching for the fiber. Cloth has to recognize what? I am not separate from the fiber, thread. Nool. And the noole nanu kapada roopallo irukku. Kapada anna vastram. So I need not search for fiber or thread. I am thread alone. All threads put together, I am. It has to recognize. Similarly, okay. Jiva doonde Brahma ko. All people are searching for Brahma. Anda Paramatma, engirikaro. Irundal Kalandar. I want to merge with Bhagavan. Oru vaate avadu darshanam kadikumo. And the Tyagarajaku darshanam vandadu enakku varada. Tyagaraja was in Ekarupa Bhakti. Ekarupa Bhaktila irundana avar varanam. Adukapra enna aitaru? Gayaram. Ayaram Ramar vandittar. Appuram Gayaram. Kalami poitar. Ethana neram nikka mudiyum? Ayodhyakku pova vendama? Suppose you see Rama everywhere already now available here in the form of all pervading Atma Swarupam, he is available. Jiva is none other than Brahma. If I recognize I am Brahman, Atma Swarupam, Paramatma Swarupam, Jiva need not search for Brahman. Why? Jiva is not separate from Paramatma. Aham Jivatma eva Paramatma. Therefore, in the Jnanam Varname Tavara, we need not go and search. Because Bhagavan is not separate from the world. Since I am also in the world, Bhagavan is not separate from me also. Why you are putting Bhagavan in confinement? Pavam. நீ அங்கே இரு, நான் வரேன். எதுக்காக? பகவான் சொல்றாரு, நீ வர வேண்ட, அப்ப நான் எங்கே இருக்கேன், எல்லா இடத்துல இருக்கேன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கோன்னு சொல்றாரு அவரு. நீங்க வர வரைக்கும் நான் வெயிட் பண்ண முடியாது. யூ டேக் ஜென்மாஸ் டு கம் அண்ட் மீட் மீ. யூ கோ டு பகவத் கீதா கிளாஸ் and listen to Bhagavad Gita. Now itself you can know that I am with you. I am with you, illa really speaking, you are in me only, Bhagavan says. You are in me only. ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని పురించుకணும். సరే, ఇప్పుడు పురించుకుంటే என்ன ప్రయోజనం అన్న? ఉన్నకు தான் ఆనందం వரும், సంతోషం వரும். భగవాన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ wave things as separate from water. I am a small wave. I am small wave, tiny wave. Limitation continues. Fear always, I am going to disappear again. That limitation will continue, fear will continue. But if it recognize I am water now itself, as a wave also I am water. If it recognize, see how much water I am having. I am water, now just appearing as a wave. అది మాదిరి చొల్లడం இல்லையோ? If I think I am a jiva, tiny human being, ordinary wife or ordinary husband, ordinary mamiyar, if I think, we have problems. This is a temporary role I am playing. I am really speaking that Atma Swarupam. இப்படி இருந்தாலும் கூட ஏன் தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது என்ன? புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அது. Why Bhagavan is all pervading also? Why I am not able to recognize this? Because your intellect is covered by raga, dvesha. அந்த காமம், குரோதம், ராக, துவேஷா, ஈர்ஷா, அசூயா, பொறாமை இதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிருச்சு? அந்த சுத்தமான மனசுன்னு அழுக்காய் வச்சு அந்த சுத்தமான மனசுக்குள்ள இந்த பகவானுடைய உருவம் தெரியாமலே பண்ணுறது. அவ்வளோதான். பகவான் இருந்தாலும் கூட, நமக்குள்ளேயே இருந்தாலும் கூட, எல்லா இடத்துல இருந்தாலும் கூட நமக்கு தெரியாது. ஏன்னா நமக்கு நம்மவே இந்த ராக துவேஷம் மூலமா we are seeing Bhagavan as separate. That's why எல்லா துக்கத்துக்கு இதுதான் காரணம். இந்த துக்கத்தில் வெளியில் வரணும்னா ஒரே ஒரு வழி, చక్కని రాజమార్గము. ఏది? భగవద్గీత శ్రవణం. చక్కని రాజమార్గం. கன்சிஸ்டண்டாக படிக்கணும். படித்தா அது புரியும். பகவான் சேஸ் சமாப்னோஷி, யூ ஆர் ஆல் பர்வேடிங். Pervading is two types. Okay, pervading two types. Suppose smoke is pervading the hall, that is also pervasion. Smoke is also pervading the hall. Like smoke, Bhagavan also pervading the whole universe. And the pervasion lo kuda difference irukku. Enna difference enna? Smoke is pervading because of fire. Because of fire, smoke is pervading. Because of whom Lord is pervading? Pervasion difference irukku. Bhagavan is pervading by himself without anybody's support. Adha pervasion artham inge. So just as the gold pervades the ornaments, gold is pervading the ornament not because of anybody. Smoke is pervading because of fire. But gold is pervading the ornaments because it is the cause. Gold is the cause, therefore it pervades in the effect, ornaments. Correct dane? Wherever you touch the ornament, wherever you see the ornament, what you are seeing? Gold only. Wherever you see the wave, what you are seeing? Water. Wherever you touch the wave, what you are touching? Water only. This part, wherever you touch, what you are touching? Clay only. Wherever you see the part, bottom, top, right, left, what you are seeing? Clay only. Why? Because clay alone is there. You cannot miss the clay to see pot. Important point to note. You cannot miss the clay to see pot. To see pot, you have to see helplessly what? Clay. Clay paatida ahanam. Clay paakamale paattu parungo. சும்மா கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஜோக். ஓகே, கிளே பார்க்காமலே ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஆஸ்க் யூ, All of you don't see the clay, but see the pot. Swamini, how is it possible? It is not possible. See the gold chain without seeing the gold. See the ring without seeing the gold. See the bangle without seeing the gold. Is it possible? Why? Because chain is nothing but gold. Ring is nothing but gold. Bangle is nothing but gold. Therefore, I cannot see any ornament without gold. I cannot see any earthenwares without seeing the clay. I cannot see the water. I cannot see the wave without water. I cannot see the bubble without water. I cannot see the snow without water. Come on, try to see. Because the effect cannot exist separate from the cause. Similarly, I cannot see the world without seeing the Brahman. Examples nalla thala aaditam. Takka takka takkina. Ella puriyirudhu Swami. Romba alaga kuda irukku examples. Examples puriyirudappa. Examples edukkaana பகவான் பார்க்கணும் చెప్పి அங்கே போய் திருவண்ணாமலைக்கு போய் அந்த தீபம் பார்க்கறதுக்காக கூட்டமா போய் கஷ்டப்பட்டு ஆயாசப்பட்டு எத்தனை பேர் கஷ்டப்படுற பாருங்க. பகவான் is available all the time. You cannot see the world without seeing Bhagavan. முன்னாடி என்ன சொன்னோம்? You cannot see the chain without seeing the gold. You cannot see the wave without seeing the what? You cannot see the world without seeing the Brahman. Impossible. அது என்ன சுவாமினே புரியவே இல்லையேனா. இதுதான் சத்தியம். You are seeing Brahman only. ஆனாலும் பிரம்மனு தெரியல, அவ்வளவுதான். அங்கதான் தகராறு. அது வரணுமன்னா நீங்க பார்க்கறது எல்லாமே பிரம்மன் தான் அனு தெரியணுமன்னா பகவத்கீதா படிக்கணும், அவ்வளவுதான். Systematically, thoroughly you study Bhagavad Gita, you also can say, I cannot see the world without Brahman. One day you can declare, not for the world, to your buddhi. To your intellect you can get that knowledge. Yes, what Swamini said is true. What my Guru said is true to me. What my Guru's Guru said is true to my Guru. So, whatever the teacher says must be true to the disciple. One day or other. It has to. But it takes time. It takes time. அது வரைக்கும் நமக்கு பொறுமை இருக்கணும், ஸ்ரத்தை இருக்கணும், பக்தி இருக்கணும். பட் திஸ் இஸ் வண்டர்ஃபுல் நாலேஜ். தர்ஷனம், பகவான் தர்ஷனம். யூ வாண்ட் 24 hours தர்ஷனம் ஆர் ஜரகண்டி தர்ஷனம்? டெல் மீ நவ். இங்கே பாலாஜி டெம்பிளுக்கு போனால் ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் கூட விட மாட்டான். ஜரகண்டி என்ன பார்த்துட்டியா பகவான்? ஏதோ கொஞ்ச நேரம் பார்த்தேன். எந்த போனாலும் கூட்டம். அண்ணாமலை தீபத்துக்கு போனா கூட்டம், ஐயப்ப கிட்ட போனா கூட்டம், பாலாஜி டெம்பிள் போனா கூட்டம், எல்லா இடத்துல கூட்டம். ஏதாவது நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் திருப்பி போறேன், மல்லி அதே தர்ஷனம். வாட் இஸ் திஸ் தர்ஷனம்? எத்தனை வாட்டி பார்த்தாலும் பாலாஜிக்கு திருப்தியே வர மாட்டேங்கிறது சுவாமி. இந்த ஞானம் வந்தா இது வித்தவுட் டிக்கெட், வித்தவுட் ஆயாசம், வித்தவுட் டிராவல், இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு தர்ஷனம் கொடுக்கும் போது ஏன் ஹவு பீப்புள் மிஸ்ஸிங் என்ன? You need not have any ayasa, you need not buy ticket, you need not stand in the queue, you need not push by others. You will not be pushed by others. And அந்த கிருத்திகை எப்போ வருமா பார்க்கணும், மல்லி அந்த ஸ்கந்த சஷ்டி எப்போ வருமா, அந்த ராமநவமி எப்போ வருமா, பிரம்மோத்சவம் எப்போ வருமானு வெயிட் பண்ணணும். இதுக்கு வெயிட் பண்ணணுமா? வெயிட் பண்ண வேண்டாம். You need not wait for that time, you need not spend money, you need not be tired also. by this understanding, you will get Bhagavan darshanam every second. It is impossible for you to miss the God. It is impossible for you to miss the God. That is called the highest bhakti. Tell me, you want that bhakti or this bhakti? Your choice is yours. Arjuna says, that what he is expressing. Ananta Viryam Amita Vikramaha Samapnoshi. இப்போ இந்த சமாப்னோஷிக்கு தான் இவ்வளோ லெக்சர். புரியுறதா? அந்த சமாப்னோஷி என்ன ஆள் பர்வேடிங்க சுவாமினி. ஓஹோ, ஆள் பர்வேடிங்கன்னு ஆளு பர்வேடிங்கன்னு நினைச்சா அண்ணா. கடவுள் இருக்கார், ஆளு பர்வேடிங், பெரும் ஆள், நானும் சின்ன ஆளு. அது சமாப்னோஷி அண்ணா. ஆஹா, அவர் தான் இருக்கார். இந்த அகங்காரம் கொஞ்சம் நீங்க கீப் aside, யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். நம்ம அகங்காரம் விட மாட்டோமே. அந்த அகங்காரம் தான் காரணம். ததஹா சர்வஹா அசி சர்வம். யூ ஆர் எவ்ரிதிங், யூ ஆர் எவ்ரிதிங். அர்ஜுனா டெல்லிங் again and again, you are everything, you are everything. But see that understanding. You are everything. You are everything means where Arjuna is standing. கொஞ்சம் திங்க் பண்ணணும். பகவான், you are everything, you are everything. That means Arjuna dropped his identity, individuality. Because since you are everything, I am in everything, I am not separate from you. புரிஞ்சு போச்சு இல்லையோ? இல்லையோ? Since you are everything, whole world, universe, I am in the universe, I am included in that everything. திருப்பி சொல்லணுமா? You are everything, I am included in everything, therefore I am not there other than you. புரியுறதோ? I am not there other than you, Bhagavan. I am not there other than you. That should be fact for a mumukshu. That is what culmination knowledge. Next shloka. Having recognized this fact, now Arjuna asking, oh Lord, forgive me. I thought you are my friend, something. I thought you are an ordinary Krishna. I thought you are a personal God. You are Vasudeva Krishna, you are Yasoda Krishna, you are Radha Krishna, I thought. அதுக்குதான் வாடா போடான்னு இருந்தால் சொல்லிட்டா முன்னாடி. He is telling now, please forgive me, Bhagavan. Without knowing your greatness, understanding your greatness, I behaved in a disrespectful way. I might have behaved so many ways. Please forgive me, he is asking. Sakheti मत्वा प्रसभं यदुक्तं हे कृष्ण हे यादव हे सखेति अजानता महिमानं तवेमं मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि. Since Bhagavan is all pervading, our people say in water also Bhagavan is there. Therefore never spit in the water. Never leave mutram in the water. Never pass urine in the river, waters. They say because Bhagavan is pervading in waters, you have to respect. அதுக்கு சம்ஸ்கிருதம்னு சொல்லுவான். That is, நாப்சு மூத்திரம் புரீஷம் குர்யாத். நாப்சு மூத்திரம் புரீஷம் குர்யாத். அப்சு என்ன? in waters. மூத்திரம் என்ன? urine. Na kuryat, never pass the urine in waters. Purisha means motion. Don't pass motion in the rivers. So worship the river as God. Napsu purisham mutram purisham kuryat. Na nishtivet. Never spit in the river. குளிக்கும் போது வாய்க்குள்ள தண்ணி போச்சுன்னு துப்பக்கூடாது. ந நிஷ்டீவேத். ஏ பகவான், ரெஸ்பெக்ட் த வாட்டர்ஸ். ந நிஷ்டீவேத். ந விவசன் ஸ்நாயா. நெவர் டேக் பாத் வித் நேக்கெட் பாடி. வித்தவுட் வஸ்திரம் ஆன் யுவர் பாடி, டோன்ட் டேக் பாத் இன் த ரிவர். ஸோ யூ மஸ்ட் ஹாவ் சம் அங்கவஸ்திரம் அட்லீஸ்ட். Without clothes, you should not take bath in the waters. Then only you are respecting the river and earth. That's why in our culture, why they respect? It is not just a bath. It is a pavitra snanam. Even in our house also, when you are taking a bath, Gangecha, Yamunecha, Godavari, all rivers you remember. டெய்லி காவேரியிலோ துங்கபத்திரில போய் பண்ண முடியும்? புஷ்கரம் போய் பண்ண முடியுமா என்ன? டெய்லி எங்க புஷ்கரத்துக்கு போக முடியும்? கங்கேச்ச யமுனே செய்வ கோதாவரி சரஸ்வதி நர்மதே சிந்து காவேரி ஜலேஸ்மின் பக்கிட்டும் குருன்னா. இந்த பக்கெட் ஜலே அஸ்மின் பக்கிட்டே சந்நிதிம் குரு. மே யூ கம் ஹியர் இன் மை பக்கெட் ஆஃப் வாட்டர், கார்பரேஷன் வாட்டர், அழுக்கு வாட்டர். என்ன பண்றது? கங்கா காவேரி எல்லாமே இதுல தான் இருக்கா, நினைச்சு ஸ்நானம் பண்ணு, சுத்தம் ஆயிடுவோம், அவ்வளவுதான். இதுதான் நம்முடைய நோக்கம். ஓகே, அப்படிப்பட்ட பார்வை எனக்கு இருக்கு, நம்மளுக்கு இருக்கு. நாட் ஜஸ்ட் லைக் பாத், ஆல் ரிவர்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். நிஷ்டீவேத். இன்னொன்னு சொல்லுவான், வர்ஷதி ந தாவே. வென் ரெய்னிங், வர்ஷதி, ரெயின் இஸ் கமிங், நெவர் ரன். ந தாவே. ஏன்னா யூ வாண்ட் டு ரன் அவே ஃப்ரம் த ரெயின். வருண பகவான் அவர். வருஷம் இஸ் எ பகவான், வருண பகவான். வை யூ வாண்ட் டு ரன் அவே ஃப்ரம் த வருண பகவான்? இஃப் யூ ரன், யூ வில் ஃபால் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங். ஓகே, ப்ராக்டிக்கலி ஆல்சோ இட்ஸ் நாட் குட். பட் philosophically also, if you see, if you run away from Bhagavan, Varuna Bhagavan and Ardham, you are hating him. You are having aversion. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி மழைல நிற்க சொல்லலை. ஓகே, டோன்ட் ஸ்டாண்ட் இன் த ரெயின், பட் டோன்ட் ரன் அவே ஃப்ரம் த ரெயின். மழை வந்து ஆனந்தமாக சந்தோஷமாக கொஞ்ச நேரம் என்ன ஆகும், கொஞ்சம் துளி தண்ணி விழுந்தா நல்ல ஒன்றும் ஆகாது. என்ஜாய் த ரெயின். அந்த தண்ணி மேலே விடணும், உடம்பு மேலே. ந தாவே வர்ஷதி ந தாவே. சில்ட்ரனுக்கு சொல்லணும், இல்லைன்னா ஓடி ஓடி கீழே விழுந்தோம், ஃப்ராக்சர் ஆகிடும் இல்லையா? You will get fracture, no? If you run and you will fall down, no? Therefore, these are all disciplines given by our elders, ancestors. Now, in this shloka, Arjuna is expressing his vinayam. He is asking for pardon. Oh Lord, pardon me. What he says, Sakha iti matva. Matva means regarding you, considering you. Tvam matva, having, considering you as what? Sakha iti matva. You are my friend. I thought you are my friend, but I never know that much, this much power you have. Sakha iti matva, having thought of, having considered you as my friend. What I did, yet expressions, what I did, what are all expressions I did? Hey Krishna, va, vadani kepta, no, hey Krishna, hey Yadava. நம்ம வீட்டில் கூப்பிட்றோம், வாடா வாடி, போடா போடி. சம்போதன, ஹே கிருஷ்ணான்னா சம்போதனா பிரதமா விபக்தி. சம்போதனா, ஹே சம்போதனால இன் தமிழ்ல வாடா அர்த்தம். லேடி என்ன வாடி என்ன. போன், ஹே போன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு போடா என்ன, போடி என்ன. ஓகே, அது மாதிரி தெலுங்கு இருக்க ஓரி ஓசி சம்போதனா பிரதமா விபக்தி. தெலுங்கு ஒரேன்னு கூப்பிடுவான், ஓரி ஓசின்னா. சம்போதனா, சம்போதனா எப்போவுமே யூ ஆர் வெரி க்ளோஸ் பீப்புளுக்கு தான் அப்படி பண்ணுவோம், சம்போதனம் பண்ணி இல்லையா, அட்ரஸிங். అడ్రస్సింగ్ ద పర్సన్ సంబోధన హే కృష్ణ అని కూపుతాం. యారు? అర్జున. హే కృష్ణ, హే యాదవ, హే సఖ, హే సఖే, ఓ ఫ్రెండ్. ప్రమాదాత్ ప్రసభం అపి ప్రణయేన. Sometimes because of affection also I might have called you like this. Out of affection, out of friendliness, sometimes negligence, no, indifferently. So prasabham means rudely, disrespectfully, in the loose expression, loosely addressing the person, not knowing the greatness of the person. Pramadat, inadvertently, unknowingly, negligently or indifferently. Or va means or, pranayena va api, sometimes affectionately, because of intimacy. Because of intimacy, you are my cousin only, nephew, niece, and the relatives only, we are. Therefore, affectionately, I might have called you, hey Krishna, hey Yadava, like this. There is a small correction in this shloka. There are two readings. In the second line, third line, ajanata mahimanam tavemam. Tavedam is there, some books, no? Tavedam is that also okay. Tavemam is also okay. But grammatically, Tavedam is wrong. But Vyasa Bhagavan gave these slokas, so we should not say Vyasa is wrong. So what do you have to do? You have to change it as imam, tavemam. Tava plus imam, tavemam. That is only grammatically correct. Why? What is the reason? Mahimanam is Pumlinga. Idam mahimanam. Idam napumskalingam. Tava mahimanam. Unnudaya mahimai enartham. So, mahimanam is Pumlingam. Nakarantaha Pumlingaha mahiman shabdaha. Mahima, mahimano, mahimanaha, mahimanam. Dvitiya ekavachanam. In the mahima, this greatness of yours. So mahima is in masculine gender. This also must be in masculine gender. Idam is neuter gender, napumskalingam. So grammatically both are wrong. Once that mahimanam is in Pumlinga, that imam is the correct word. It must be Pumlinga. So we should not correct the shloka. Two types of readings are there. Vyasa Bhagavani sollirupar theriyala. You can write it as imam. Idam also okay, because we have no right to correct the Vyasa's teachings. அங்கே எங்கெங்கேயாவது கிராமட்டிக்கலாக இருந்தாலும் நம்ம அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். சில இடத்துல சாந்தச பிரயோகம்னு சொல்லுவோம். பட் யூ ஹேவ் டு அட்ஜஸ்ட் ஹியர். இமம், இமம் மகிமானம். Imam is Pumlingam. Imam, ayam, imam, ime, imam, ime, iman. Ada Pumlingam. Idam shabdaha. Makarantaha Pumlingaha idam shabdaha. Ayam imau ime, imam, imau iman. அப்படி வரணும். So, imam mahimanam, tava mahimanam ajanata. Why I called you, hey Krishna, hey Yadava? Negligently, inadvertently, why I called you? Ajanata, not knowing your glory. I uttered, uktam maya, uttered by me. Maya means by me. Uktam, uttered, said by me, called by me. Ajanata, who did not know. I do not know your glory. That's why I called you. I did not know your Vishwarupa previously. Now only I come to know your Vishwarupa. Therefore, forgive me. Excuse me. Arjuna asking, because why you have to forgive me? He says next shloka. The reason he is giving. Yechavaha sarthamasatkrutosim viharashayyasana bhojaneshu ekothavapyachyutam tatsamaksham तत्क्षामये त्वामहमप्रमेयम् In Ekarupa Bhakti, we also worship the Lord. There are Navavidha Bhaktis, 9 types of Bhaktis. அதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்லோகமே இருக்கு. ஸ்ரவணம் கீர்த்தனம் விஷ்ணோஹோ ஸ்மரணம் பாத சேவனம் அர்ச்சனம் வந்தனம் தாஸ்யம் சக்கியம் ஆத்மநிவேதனம். I know you are only personal God, Krishna. You are to some extent great, I know. But I do not know you are the cause of this whole universe. As a personal God, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Bhakti, 9 types of Bhakti. Shravanam, by listening the Bhagavan's glory, you show your Bhakti. That is Shravanam. Shravanam Pandradana, you listen the Bhagavan's glory. Because you have Bhakti. Kirtanam, you yourself sing the Bhagavan's glory, Kirtanam. Shravanam, Kirtanam. Of whom? Vishnu. Of Lord. If you are a Shiva Bhakta, Shivaha. Or Devi Bhakta, Devi. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu. Smaranam, third one. By remembering the Lord all the time repeatedly, you show your Bhakti. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. Then Pada Sevanam. By serving the Lord's feet. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho, Smaranam, Pada Sevanam. Serving at the feet of the Lord. That is also Bhakti. Kayika Bhakti. Shravanam is Kayika Bhakti. I am listening through my ears. Kirtanam is also Kayika Bhakti. Smaranam is Manasika Bhakti. Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam. Archanam also Kayika Bhakti. I do Archana. Laksharchanai. Lot of Archana we are doing. Archanam, Vandanam, Vandana Rupa Bhakti. Doing Namaskara again and again. Sashtanga Namaskara. Vandanam. You show your Bhakti by Vandanam. Doing Namaskara. Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam. By serving the Lord you show your Bhakti. Some people they put Kosuvale Goda Bhagavaniki. Personal God is having hands, heads, leg, everything is having, no? So, Arghyam Samarpayami, Padhyam Samarpayami, Avarku Snanam. And Avarku Goda body irkiliyo, so he has to take bath. Avarku Pasi irkum, stomach irke, that's why Pasi. That's why Damodaraha or Per. Udaram irka illiya. Therefore, Pasi, Naivedyam Samarpayami, personal God. Vandanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Atmanivedanam, Manasika Bhakti. So, Kayika, Vachika, Manasika Bhakti. Atmanivedanam, Manasika Bhakti. I surrender myself to the Lord. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho, Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atmanivedanam. Hanuman, Dasya Bhakti. Meera, Sakhya Bhakti. So, you can see the Lord as a child you can worship. As a father also you can worship. So, Lord, you are my father. Okay. Father can forgive his own son. Friend can forgive his own friend. Bhagavan forgive all bhaktas. All people Bhagavan forgive. That's why Bhagavan is Karuna Samudraha Sagaraha. Forgive everyone. That's why he is asking Lord Krishna, Yat avahasartham asi asatkrutaha. I call you, moreover, for the sake of fun, avahasartham and parihar. Parihasartham. Parihasaha. Fun-kaha. Suma fun-kaha, I kindle pandita. Many times I might have done that. You have been slighted by me, means you have been insulted by me. Because of fun, I might have pulled your shirt, might have pulled your peacock feather, I might have pulled your flute. Many times. And we have taken food in same plate. Sometimes sometimes when we are sleeping together on the same cot, sometimes I might have pushed you also. I might have done lot of குழந்தையா இருக்கும்போது எல்லாம் பண்ணுவான் இல்லையா, யங் ஏஜ்ல நான் அப்படி எல்லாம் பண்ணிருப்பேனோ என்னமோ தெரியலப்பா, ப்ளீஸ் ஃபர்கிவ் மீ. நீங்க இவ்வளவு பெருசுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாது, ஏதோ சின்ன ஆளுன்னு நினைச்சேன் சொல்றார். விஹார means while playing I might have did lot of fun. Shayya, while reclining, a sleeping time. Asana, while sitting. How do I know? So many times I might have pushed you. Ipo kekala, you come as a driver to my chariot. Gupta. Bhagavan poi, he asked. That's why one bhakta was so angry. Arjuna thought he is the only greatest bhakta. And Lord Krishna wanted to teach a lesson to him. And he took Arjuna to one place. He showed one person. Look at that person. And he is telling, I will kill Arjuna. Chollindirka. Bhagavan Arjuna asked Krishna, why he is telling like that? Not only I will kill Arjuna. What he is doing, no? He is sharpening his sword, knife. I will kill Arjuna. Then Arjuna asked Krishna, why he is doing that also? He is sharpening knife. I want to kill Arjuna. Then he is telling, because he asked my Bhagavan to be a chariot. Lord Krishna is Jagat Guru. He is a Jagat Pita. Such a God. And he Arjuna, a foolish fellow, is asked my Lord to be as a charioteer. Ratha Sarade. And Arjuna, avane kola pandudu. Arjuna looked at Krishna. Ivala bhakti avanike. Ama. Arjuna, that person could not withstand Arjuna asking Krishna to be as a charioteer. Now Arjuna, Arjuna thought he is a great person, always standing with Krishna. You see that person. If he sees you, your head will be removed. Careful, Nana. There are so many bhaktas. Bhakta in any form. Navavidha bhakti. That's what it is. Seiya asana bhojaneshu. Saapudumbodu evanano tirisimanam pandirupano ennamo theriyala. Okay. Athava ekaha api tat samaksham. When we are alone also I might have insulted you. Not only that, in front of others also I might have insulted you. Samaksham, I might have insulted you. He achyuta tat aham kshamaye. Such me who insulted you, please kshamaye, forgive me. Aprameyam tvam, you are incomprehensible, you are great, such you. Please forgive me. I seek your pardon. Forgive me. Ada Vinayam Bhakti. Okay. Know the greatness of the Lord. Never blame the Lord. More in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.